Good morning, first graders. It is Friday, which means it's time for our spelling test. So I want everyone to take a deep breath in, take a deep breath out, take a deep breath in, take a deep breath out. You got this. I believe in you. You should already have your paper numbered 1 to 11. Your name should be at the top of your paper. So because you're watching this video, you are ready to go. Let's get started. Number 1, but, but. I like cheese pizza, but I like pepperoni pizza better. But. Number 2, not, not. I did not go outside today. Not. Number 3, words, words. I love learning new words, words. Number 4, had, had. I had one cat, but then he got lost. Had. Number 5, what? What? What are you going to do this weekend? What? Number 6, sit. Sit. I will sit on the floor and do my homework. Sit. Number 7, bit. Bit. The dog bit me. Bit. Number 8, lit. Lit. My mom lit a candle. Lit. Number 9, kit. Kit. We have an emergency kit at home for emergencies. Kit. And number 10, hit. Hit. I hit that ball so hard. Hit. So now for number 11, you're going to take one of those words and you're going to write a complete sentence using one of those words. And I want to remind you, there's 3 special things that a good sentence needs, so do not forget them. Once you have 1 through 11 filled out, please take a picture of your work and post it here. Great job, you guys. I'm super proud of you. Have a great day.